G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be looking at how to find very simple products and why simple products are actually good products to get onto, especially as your first product on Amazon. So stay with me, we'll be back in a second. Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here in the studio. Today's video is all about getting onto simple products, especially as your first product, all right? So if you're just getting started, you're based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, but you're wondering, you know, what do I sell? Do I want to sell computers or flat screen TVs or drones, right? Let me just tell you guys, as your first product, you do want to keep it as simple as possible, right? Let me just show you an example. This is my computer screen right here. And let me just show you this, right? So these are swing set bolts. So these are just like simple devices for your swing set, right? It holds the baby up, that kind of thing, right? Let me just run the numbers, right? Look at the numbers on some of these particular products, right? Some of the numbers on these are incredible, right? So they're actually doing some pretty decent numbers. And these particular products, they're very, very simple products, all right? So just have a look here, right? Look at this. It's doing $2,000 US a month, and it's just a simply bolt. It's a bolt set for your babies, for the swing set, right? Simple product. These are the products that you want to jump on for your first product. You do not want to be doing flat screen TVs. You don't want to be doing drones or anything like that. You want to be doing simple, easy products. Not much can go wrong with this. This isn't going to explode in somebody's face. So guys, this is what we show you how to go about doing. Join us on one of our live webinars that we run daily. I'd love to see you there. Plus, if you're looking for help and you're based here in Australia, New Zealand, and you want some one-on-one help, you want guidance on getting started, finding a product, finding supplies, and getting listed on Amazon, give us a call today in the office, 02-8003-7534. I would love to have a chat with you. Plus, give us a call also. Speak to one of our team members today about joining one of our 12-month courses where we guide you step by step, showing you how to find products, how to find supplies, and actually how to get listed on Amazon USA and Amazon Australia. So have a great day. Enjoy the video. If you love this, like us, comment, and subscribe. I would love to help you. I would love to see you at one of our next live events around Australia and New Zealand. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. See you later.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.